Hi everyone, so excited to show you this table runner. It is super gorgeous. Oh wow. Beautiful green design with some floral art. Made with cotton and linen polyester. Very durable and elegant. Easy to care for, and it is made to repel water. This can be used for any Asian holiday or lunar year, or just even a great party for your friends and family. You can use it as a table runner, you can also use it at a console table or a coffee table. This is a definite must-have, and it looks super gorgeous with the green chairs as well.